Hi everyone, I'm Gaurav from Techie Offers, and in this video I will tell you all the details that you need to know about hosting a Black Friday sale, and also I will tell you some simple steps that you can follow and get discount on hosting our plans. So first we have to visit on their official website. So here we are, and here you can see they are offering 85% discount on their hosting our Black Friday sale. Okay, so let's discuss about their web hosting plan. So here we have, so Hostinger offers three type of plans. Here we have web hosting plan, cloud hosting plan, and VPS hosting plan. So first we will check their web hosting plan. So on the web hosting plan you will get up to 85% discount. Also you will get 2 months free if you choose it for annual billing. Also here you can see they have some plan like premium plan, business plan, and startup plan. You can choose any of these plan. Like if you choose a premium plan you will get 85% discount. If you choose business plan you will get 80% discount, and if you choose cloud startup plan you will get 70% discount. Now let's talk about their cloud hosting plan. On cloud hosting plan you will get up to 70% discount. Also here you can see you will get 2 months free if you choose annual billing or above. Here we have cloud hosting plan. You can choose any of these. Like if you want to choose cloud startup plan you will get 70% off. On cloud professional plan you will get 63% off. On cloud enterprise plan you will get 54% off. So you can choose any of these plan by simply compare their features and choose the best plan for you. Now let's talk about their VPS hosting plan. On the VPS hosting you will get 67% off. Also you will get 30-day money back guarantee. Now let's talk about their plans. So here you can see we have KV1M where you will get 64% off, KVM2 you will get 67% off, and here we have some other plans. You can choose any of these. So here you also compare the features and choose the best plan for you. So now let's talk about how you can claim your discount. So first we choose any of these plan, like we choose hosting plan and the premium one. So simply click on that choose plan button. After that you have to choose your time period, like if you want it for 48 month, 24 month, 12 month, or just for 1 month. So more long time period you will choose, the more discount you will get. Like here you will choose, if you choose 24 month plan, here you can see you will get 83% off, and if you choose 48 month period, here you will get 85% discount. Okay, so you can choose any of these. After that here you have an option, so you can simply enter your coupon code. In the link in the video description I will mention a link. You can check out these, and if there is any coupon you can simply apply here and click on that apply button and your coupon will be applied. After that you have to click on that continue button. Now you have to enter your details. So here you have to enter your name, your last name, your mobile number, country, state, city, all the details. Once you are done with that, here you can see your order summary and check all the details like how much this plan will cost you and how much discount you are getting, about your taxes. And once you are done with that, simply click on that continue button. After that you have to choose your payment option. You want to choose a card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, you can choose any you want. So here we will choose card option, and on the card option you have to enter your name of card and bank account details, bank account numbers, month, and CVC code. After you enter all the details, simply click on that submit button, and after that your Black Friday discount will be applied. So yeah, these are some simple steps that you have to follow and get discount on hosting a plan. So if you found this video helpful, simply click on like button. If you want more details about free trials and discount, you can subscribe Techie Offers. Thank you.